This is our 2022 Kia Telluride, and it's rusting. Not after 10 years, not after 5 years, just after 15 months. We babied this SUV. Extended warranty, ceramic coating, yearly coating, and still rust. Back in 2023, we spotted rust on the inside driver's side rocker panel. We told our dealer, and after some pushing, Kia fixed it in September. But by December 2024, the rust was back, not just in one spot, all four sides. And this time, Kia Canada and the extended warranty said no coverage. Here's the crazy part. The rust is in the exact same spot on every door. Why? Because when Kia installed the door weather stripping, they glued the ends together with rock hard glue. Every time you close the door, that glue scrapes the clear coat, then the paint, down to bare metal. Bare metal equals rust, simple as that. Now I'm going to show you what I mean so you guys can see exactly what it is. So back in 2022, we had some rust right here at this spot, and it came back exactly at the same thing. So I took the time to take a tape and measure from that line. It's about 1.25 inches, and this line transfers to the rubber here, which is right here, and here's the glue line. I don't know if you can see it, but here's a glue line, and that glue line is, according to my line I just made, 1.25 inches. Same spot. So this is why the rust is forming, because of that glue line right here, which is rock solid. So that's on the driver's side. Now let's move to the rear door, and as you can see, rust forming. I made a line about 1 3/8. Now, if we look here, we see the glue line with my line I made, the black marker, and it's about same thing, 1 3/8. Okay, now we're gonna move to the passenger side. So passenger side, again, tape, mark. We see that little pit right here, and that's about 1 3/8. And if we move here, that's my glue line right there. That's my line that I made to transfer, and 1 3/8. Look at that. And if we move to the rear door, not as much, but it's starting, as you can see right here. About 1.5 inches, 1 3/8. And again, the hard glue with my line, 1 3/8 approximately. So, this being said, if any of you have had any issues with rust coming on your rocker panels, feel free to leave a comment below.